All right, so this is the last exercise for week 12. And what we are talking about here is essentially um, we're going to put our animation to music. Um, You'll notice we have the same three import statements we've been using in all of our audio experiments. Um, then inside our class, we're setting up an array of image icon objects to hold 10 images, and then we're setting up our audio clip, and we're calling our audio clip space. In the initialize method, we're going to go ahead and load up all 10 images using the image icon class. Then we are going to get the audio clip of our space music. When the applet starts running, we are going to set we're going to play our audio on a loop. That's what the start method is going to handle. Then when the paint method is called, which will happen when when the applet is drawn on the screen, we're going to go ahead and display each one of those pictures in sequential order. All 10 pictures in order, pausing for about a quarter of a second between each one. We're going to do that 3 times. When we're finished, we're going to go ahead and call space.stop. So Duke, the Java mascot, is going to wave at you 3 times, and then the music will stop. If you've got your HTML file set up, you can just click play, and you'll see the music starts. He waves, puts his hand down, waves again, puts his hand down, waves again, puts his hand down, and the music stops. And actually, the paint method was actually called twice there, but that's why he actually did it 6 times. That paint method was called twice, but the first time through it stopped the music. That's essentially all that does. It's a lot of code, but again, a lot of it is setup code, which we see when we have Windows. Anything that we are going to be displaying controls, and an image could be a control. You've done some very basic animation, and in the week 13 lecture, we are going to discuss some other ways to do some of this animation. There will be, so when you finish with this, there'll be a little quiz for you to take, and then you can take a look at the online lecture for exercise 13.